So, if you manage to do this very easily, you're going to go to the next step to interlace the fingers. Okay? If you find the interlace easy, elbows to the floor, forearms to the floor. If you find that easy, then right wrist held by the left hand and go. Okay? So, stages for everything that you want to do in your Janashisasana. Okay? Right, now let's use the belt. Okay, I'm just showing you. This is Uttita. Okay, so I'm going to take the belt into my left thigh crease. Right hand holds the belt. I inhale, I lift my arm. I exhale forward. I find the belt. I allow the belt to guide me to the outside of my right foot. I lean my chest forward. I push the elbow away. I pull the belt once more, push the elbow away. Push the elbow to the left, push the elbow to the front. Front left. Chest is on the thigh, chin is onto the knee, forehead onto the shin. If you find that it's easy, then you can release the right hand from the belt. Right hand comes to the inside arch and pull the elbows away from each other. And breathe here. Toes up to the ceiling. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Chin lifts, forehead lifts, hands come onto the ankle, up the shin, the knee, and the thigh.